Hi there, I'm Ilya, CEO and co-founder of Bitskout. And this is what happens when you start talking about automating data extractions from documents.
I also hate it. And finally, we decided to do something with that. And that's why we created Bitskout. We want to document extractions to be just a few clicks. And first thing that we did is created a template library. In Bitskout, there are many templates that are ready-made for you to use. For example, if you want to analyze core documents, and you work in legal, and you're tired of reading them and typing them into whatever legal Excel you need to type it to, you can use this template. So first thing that you can check it what we extract by running a test. And this is the data we extract. So if something is missing, you can always contact us and we can add this. But now, extracting this data allows you to skip the boring part of typing data into your Excels when you receive those documents. And if you want to use this template, you just need to click Use Template and choose the tool. If you're working with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any other tools, you can always use Zapier, Make, or Power Automate to automate this, which are the tools designed for such automations. But if you use, for example, Monday, in Bitskout, you can directly set up the mapping. So let me just choose the project by just dragging and dropping information from here into here, into here, and into here. Okay? And now your plugin is ready. Here it is, and you can use it either in Monday, or of course you can use it in Zapier. Let's say you receive emails via Gmail, and you want to use Bitskout. Now, besides creating custom plugins, we have predetermined actions. Let's say an action detect document type will tell you what document type is that, a PDF. You can also use this to extract data from documents like receipts, invoices, purchase orders, and etc. But in our case, because we created a custom plugin, let's choose a run plugin for files. Choose our account. And here we'll be able to choose the plugin. Here it is. Now you have set up an automation that will read the US core documents and extract the information from it. But what happens if there is no template? Well, you can actually create a plugin for any document you have. By clicking Create Plugin, here you can choose from file or from text. From text, it means you will analyze emails, and the same way, using a few examples, extract data from any email. But in our case, let's create a plugin for files. What you need to do is load a few examples. Here is the form from SEC about Apple, form 8K. So let's extract some data from this document. So now I have specified which fields I want to extract, also given their value from this example. We can add another example. Let's use a different form this time. In this case, it's form 10Q from Airbnb. And let's fix the values that are in this example. So it's 10Q. Okay, so now our plugin is ready. Let's call it SEC Forms 2. I've done many examples, so I need a unique name. And then the same thing is with the template. You need to choose the tool. So let's choose Zapier in this case. Nothing has to be configured here because we're not writing anything. Zapier will take care of that. And now we have our plugin. Here it is. You can test it. So let's throw some tests. And as you can see, this is the data we extract. And now you can easily add it into Zapier. Same thing as we did with core documents. You just need to look for your plugin, this one, and now just specify a file. And then it will be extracting this data in a structured form that you can write to somewhere else, let's say to Excel. So this is what Bitskout is. It allows you to automate manual data entry, which is unfortunately still existing today in many places. Before, document extraction was very difficult, and I want to change this forever. It should never be difficult. You should not need a team for that. You should be able to do that in a few clicks, like you send an email. And that's what our vision is. You can also create different things. You can create plugins that understand things. You can also create plugins that understand document type. Loading here are the examples and telling what document type is. We will then automatically detect it, so you can move it to a plugin responsible for parsing. Let's say if you receive, in real estate, you receive a bunch of documents, a leasing agreement, a pay stub, and many different documents, and you want to dynamically choose which one is that, and then extract data to a different folder. So you now, using Bitskout, you don't have to open each PDF and read what it is. Now you can do it automatically. Hopefully our platform will help you free some time for meaningful work. And also, we work in different languages, not only in English, we also work in Japanese and Chinese and support languages, Arabic languages. Thanks a lot for your time, and I hope it will be helpful. Feel free to get in touch, and hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.